Hi, everybody. I'm Ebony Love from LoveBug Studios, and I want to invite you to an event that I'm planning. It's called Sew in Your Jammies 2020. It is happening June 5th through June 7th, and I would like you to go to retreatfromhome.com, sign up for the mailing list so you can be notified as soon as the retreat registration opens. I think this is going to be the most fun that you can have without having to leave your house at a sewing retreat. So you don't have to take my word for it. I've invited several designers to participate in this event, and I want you to meet them. So, so let's see who's up first.
Hi, Ebony. How are you? Hi, everybody. I'm Jackie Kunkel from Canton Village Quiltworks, and you know why I'm excited to do this? Because I get to socialize with all of you quilters. You're my people. I can't wait to see all of you and see what you're working on, whether it's my project or one of the other designers' project or your own project. It's going to be a blast because we get to socialize and interact with one another at home. Something that we're not able to do right now is go out, so why not do it at home in your jammies? That's what I'm looking forward to, and I'm looking forward to seeing you all.
Hi, everyone. I'm Kate Colleran from SeemsLikeADream.com, and I am really looking forward to being at home and seeing all you great quilters, being able to interact, but also knowing that all my tools are right over there. And so normally when you go to retreat, you always forget something, right? Well, here, you don't have to worry about that because you're home, all your tools are nearby, you can sew in your jammies and have a great time, and that's what I'm looking forward to. Just hanging out with all of you, sewing in my jammies, and knowing everything I need is right there. See you at the retreat.
Hi, I'm so excited to be here. I'm Joann Hillstead from Fat Quarter Gypsy and Seems Like a Dream. No, I'm not Seems Like a Dream. That's Kate. I'm Swirly Girls Design. I'm so excited, I'm flustered. I can't wait for this retreat, and I tell you what, sewing in your jammies is not only what I need accountability from all of you. I have a project that I just never get done, and doggone it, I'm going to do it at this retreat, and I hope that you'll join me. I'm so excited for you to make sure that I get my project done. Can't wait to see you.
Hi guys, Tammy Silvers of Tamarini's, and I am so stoked about this sew in your jammies extravaganza with all of these talented designers and me. I am super stoked about, did you know there's going to be fun recipes? So you're going to make your snacks. Isn't that the fun thing about retreats, is getting to nosh on whatever you want, and calories don't count during a retreat. We all know that. And I'm going to get to socialize with you. Yes, that's going to be awesome. I don't have to get dressed up. Whoop, whoop. And there's going to be games. It's going to be a blast. And we're going to have so much fun. And I can't wait. So I look forward to seeing you in June.
Awesome. Everyone is just so excited to do this, and I hope that you recognize that the most important, the key part of this retreat is you. We want to see you there. We hope to sew with you. We are so excited to put on this event to bring us all together in a community and really remind us of what that feeling is, and we are sewing with our friends in kind of a really casual and fun environment. So we have so much in store for you that it's really hard to do this in a short video. But if you go to retreatfromhome.com and sign up for to receive emails, you will be notified as soon as registration opens. Remember to mark your calendars for June 5th through the 7th, and we are just gonna have a blast together. I cannot wait. Thank you so much. See you in June.